drops of information from your MNC campus. When children have a healthy mouth, they can speak clearly, can eat healthy foods, and feel good about themselves. A healthy mouth also means healthy growth and development. Children with healthy teeth will be pain-free and will be able to focus on school, learn, and be school-ready. This is why a dental exam is required every year for all children starting at age 1, and why all treatment must be completed on time. The dental form is due in 45 calendar days from the day of enrollment. Here are some steps you can take to help your child keep their teeth healthy. Your child needs to visit the dentist once every 6 months. Choose toothpaste with fluoride and brush your child's teeth twice a day. Limit snacks that have sugar, like candy, juice, or soda. Do not give your child food as a reward. Be a role model and brush your teeth together with your child. Keep helping your kids brush their teeth at home until they are 7 or 8 years old. Thank you. Ask your dentist or family services specialist if you need more information or help with your child's dental care. MNC. Inspiring success.